welcome back to Gratefully Vegan. Today we are in Sofia, Bulgaria. I'm so excited to check all the vegan options here, and we are here in the city center. I don't know how much you can see, it's very windy and very cold, and I just need some food. Let's go and try something. Furna is a bakery with amazing vegan options that include the traditional Bulgarian Banitsa and vegan cookies. If you are looking forward to trying some traditional dishes, this is the perfect place for you because they had 3 savory vegan options and 1 sweet vegan option plus the cookies. If you're in Bulgaria, you just have to try Banitsa, especially the vegan one. Today we are at the bakery Furna and I'm very excited to try this. Let's see how it is. Looks amazing. There is a lot of layers. Wow. This is so delicious, definitely a must try. It has a lot of layers and mushrooms and other vegetables and it's just amazing. When I was about to exit, they saw the camera and they gave me a cookie. Let's try. Amazing, and they're very kind. Another day, another Banitsa. Today again I'm back to Furna because they told me they have more vegan options, so I'm about to try them. The first one, it's salty, it's with red lentils and onion and I can't remember what else, but more vegetables. And the second one is with pumpkin. I love pumpkin, so this, I have a feeling it's gonna be amazing. Look at those layers, just looks so delicious. Let's try it. This is so delicious. I really love it. Also, they warmed it up for me, so it's even better. Definitely, I think I like this one better than the one yesterday. Here is the sweet one. I know you can see much from the sun, it's directly on me, but it looks very good. This is what I was looking for. Literally reminds me of my grandma's pita in Macedonia that she makes. It's so similar, but the shape is different, and I think a little bit like the dough. It's a little bit different. So there is definitely some similarities. I really like it. It's definitely a must try. Edgy Veggy is a restaurant located in the city center of Sofia. It was a very nice ambience. They have a menu that's mostly fast food items and some amazing desserts. I'm making my second stop in a vegan restaurant today and we have some amazing vegan quesadillas and tiramisu. I know it's different cuisines, but I have a feeling it will be amazing. Let's try it. Here is the quesadilla. It's delicious and the cheese is actually good. It's not very common to find good vegan cheese, and this one actually works in this. They also have some delicious vegan salsa. Let's try it with the quesadilla. Amazing. Here is the tiramisu, so let's try it. Wow. Oh my god, this is like unbelievable tiramisu. I have to say they've done a great job. If you're coming to Bulgaria, this is a great spot to come to. Okay guys, I'm out of the restaurant. Edgy Veggy was amazing. The tiramisu, it's maybe the best tiramisu I've ever tried because I was in Italy and I couldn't find a good tiramisu or like any vegan tiramisu. This was kind of like a perfect situation right now. If you you're looking for a great dining experience, Plant Bite is the restaurant for you. They have a great selection of wine, amazing food, amazing desserts, and the most important thing, all of their stuff are imported from the vegan butcher. We are at Plant Bite and I'm very excited to try their burger, chicken burger. I haven't had something similar in a while, so this I have a feeling it's going to be amazing. First their fries, let's see, they look very thin. Perfection. This is the burger. It's a chicken burger. It looks amazing. It has cheddar cheese inside and I think plum and barbecue sauce. Let's try it. This is one of the best chicken sandwiches or chicken burgers that I have tried. Even better than most like actual chicken when I used to eat meat. It's very good. The vegan cheese is absolutely unbelievable. Just the whole burger together, amazing. I have no words for this. The last thing we are going to try right now, it's the dessert. I forgot the name of the dessert. I'll write it down. Here we have the dessert. Let's try it. I saw it on their website and I was like, I have to try this. I literally came to this restaurant mostly because I saw this dessert. It looked unbelievable. Yum! There's no words for this one. This is amazing. The pastry is very crispy and the cream, you will never know that it's plant-based, that it's vegan. It's just absolutely delicious, and they put strawberries during the winter and raspberries during the summer. That's what they told me. No words, just like unbelievably good. Guys, today was an amazing day. I really loved Sofia, and yesterday also, but today it was such a nice sunny day. I got to see the churches and everything and found one of definitely the best vegan restaurants I've ever been to. Plant Bite. If you have only one day to go to Sofia, choose that restaurant. It was so worth it. I walked there like around 40 minutes and it was so worth it. They were so nice and just the food was amazing, unbelievable. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next week with another vegan adventure, and until then, stay happy and stay grateful. Bye!